Hi guys, this is Androidpipe.com and I'm here with the latest release of the Angry Birds Space Adventure. This is the Red Planet level. Those are the levels you already know. We've got Big Bang, Cold Cuts, Take Me to the Moon, Fry Me to the Moon, Utopia and Red Planet that was launched just 3 days ago. We've got a bunch of levels here. As you can see, there are 20 levels to play and 10 more coming soon. This level with Mars was released especially with the occasion of the Curiosity rover from NASA arriving to planet Mars. As you can see, the pigs stole the rover and have set off to search for the eggs of the Angry Birds. So let's see what this new release brings. Everything is happening on the planet Mars, so we've got red hot steaming volcanoes and geysers. The pigs are all here and we've got the same birds that you already know. We've got the red one and the blue one that can crush ice. Also, you'll be able to find the Mars rover that will take you to some special bonus levels. And actually there are two new things to keep an eye on in these levels. Those two new things are those things you see here that blow up like this, and geysers. They're the only novelty about this game. So these geysers and those things that blow up are the real novelty. Other than that, we've got the Frankenstein bird, this big one, the green one that growls, and we've got that purple bird with its laser sight, and we also got a yellow blow-up bird that you'll see later on. You have to be very careful when firing birds toward this steam, since it will rise the bird up, so you have to calculate everything, make sure it will reach the pigs. So let's try again. So there was a previous Angry Birds that made you use water mechanics. You fired your bird through water and killed pigs. Now you have to fire your bird through steam. And here we are, we'll finish the mission with a single bird. This is a bit harder than the Back to School release. We've had two updates in the last week. One of them was Angry Birds Seasons Back to School and the other was this one. This one is slightly harder. You probably understand why, because we have these annoying geysers. And luckily we still have the blow up bird that I just misused. But let's show you some of the more tricky levels. For example, we've got this one with these blowing up pieces of magma. You can see this one that will blow up in pieces, and the pieces will blow up as well. So you have to make use of that. You have to make the pieces gravitate around the pigs. That's the whole idea of Angry Bird Space. So this time you don't only calculate the rotation angle, but you also have to think about these pieces of lava. So let's try to get that one. The idea is to push it into orbit and have it hit the pigs. Trying one more time. There is no new character here, so bummer for you if you're hoping for that. And still we finish the mission and have some floating, exploding rocks nearby. And to spoil the surprise a bit, I'm going to show you the last level of this release. I'm making it seem easy, I know that, but it's a pretty difficult set of missions. So this is the last one of them. You can see there are all sorts of robots and space stations here, and I'm using the big pig to push them. Once again, another big bird, the big green Frankenstein bird as I call it. Just be careful about the volcanoes and geysers and you'll be fine. And the final bird, the one with the laser. Didn't get them right. Anyway, you get the idea. This is the game, and of course it comes with some bonus levels in the asteroid area. These are the Mars rover missions. So once you find a rover during a normal mission, you'll be transported to these areas. As you can see, the birds are riding the rover and they're trying to hit the pigs. This is the blow up bird I was talking about. It's sort of like an X-Men outfit. It's a pretty cool bird. Haven't seen this one in space before, but then again I haven't played all the space releases. It's a very cool bird. And how to get this pig. Here we are. We finished one of the bonus levels. And the idea is to get that Mars rover. Once you see it, hit it with a bird and you'll be transported to that special bonus area. We give this game a solid 9 out of 10. It's much more harder to play than the Seasons Back to School level. It's more entertaining. It's got those cool geysers, those Mars rovers, so it's a very cool update that I recommend to you. So from Androidpipe.com, we recommend the Red Planet release in the Angry Birds Space level. Bye bye.